So I go ahead and rinse my body, get my body all watered up. Then we're gonna go ahead and start with the Pure Castle Soap by Dr. Bronner's. It's peppermint. This is it, lathered up. It gives you a nice sensation after you wash your body with it. Then you're gonna go ahead and scrub your body with that with a face wash towel. I then go to the bottom and do the same that I was doing at the top. Gotta get in between those toes. Gotta get your feet, okay? After that's rinsed off, I go ahead and get my exfoliating glove. With the exfoliating glove, I go ahead and go in with the pre-cleanse shower butter by Dove. It has peptide serum plus pure glycerin. It's for age embrace. I go ahead and put that over my body. This butter really gets the show started. It gives you a soft pre-cleanse before you go in with the body cleanser. Butter, I go ahead and go with the body cleanser. It has hyaluronic serum plus a moringa oil. It's for a moisture boost. It's really, really soft. It makes you smell really, really good, and it just sets the bar. So for my back, I go ahead and get this back brush. It is so nice, and it gets your skin right. It gets your back if you don't want to be flexible or if you're not flexible. after you have bathed your body, you're going to go ahead and exfoliate. I use the Dr. Teal's. You're already going to be smooth, but after you exfoliate, it gives an extra boost of smoothing. Oh yeah, and ladies, don't miss out on the ears. You got to get them ears really good. I see that a lot of people miss that step, but that is very essential in my everyday shower routine, whether it's the morning or the night. So I go ahead and start with my face. I use the Cetaphil Gentle Scrub. Now I have to use Gentle Scrub because I have very, very sensitive skin. I don't use anything else but this because it's the only thing my skin can tolerate. I go ahead and distribute that all over my face, and then I massage really, really good. Now I get out after this and I use the Dr. Teal's Moisturizing Bath and Body Oil before my lotion. The reason why is because it smells good and it locks in the smell before the lotion, because I use a non-scented lotion. After the body oil, I go in with my Aveeno Daily Moisture. Non-scented is for nourishing dry skin. Again, I have sensitive skin, so I have to use things that don't have as much scent. After I'm done moisturizing my body, I go ahead and go with my face. I use an Aveeno gel. It is oil-free, and I get oil-free because, yes, I do lash extensions. So sometimes I do get lash extensions myself. And you want an oil-free moisturizing gel so it does not mess up the bonding of the lash extension. I go ahead and distribute that all over my face and make sure it is massaged in all the way. After this, I go ahead and brush my teeth process. I do mouthwash before anything. That's because I'm wishing out the bacteria before I brush my teeth. That's just me. I know people do mouthwash after brushing their teeth, but I go ahead and gargle and everything before, because it's wishing all that stuff out before I brush it. After that, I go ahead and use a deep clean Colgate for my toothbrush, and then I go ahead and start with the Philips Sonicare brush. Now this next step is holy grail in my everyday routine. You scrape your tongue and then you rinse your mouth out. After this, I go ahead and put my pajamas on, and then I use teas from Victoria's Secret Cream Cloud. Thank you for watching my video. If you can like and subscribe.